In this session, we're going to do two things. We're going to enter data from this table into our calculator, and then we're going to create a scattergram from that data. Anytime you're entering data into the calculator, it is considered statistics, so we will use the Stat button. Next, we will be doing Edit, so either select one or from here just press Enter. If you already have data in your table, you will want to arrow up. So I will arrow up to L2, which is list 2, and I'll just simply clear it and push Enter. Next, I'll arrow over, up and over, do the same thing, clear and Enter. Now we're ready to enter our data. So we'll just push in the 2, and you'll notice it comes up right here, and Enter. 3, Enter. 5, etc. Next, after that, we'll just use the right arrow to move to the next list or column, and we'll enter that data. 20, enter, etc. Once the data is entered, we can go ahead and create a scatter plot or a scattergram. You want to make sure your stat plot is on, so since it is in yellow, we will push second. And notice mine is already on. If it wasn't, I would push enter here. If it was off, then I would turn it on here. Notice we also have type. We want a scatter plot, so that's correct. Notice that it gets the X and Y values from anywhere you want. By default, it's list 1 and list 2, which would be correct. And the mark is simply the type of point that it will use when it draws it. Once it is on, we just simply do zoom to see the scatter plot, and it will be number 9. I could press 9 now, or I arrowed up so I'd go to the bottom first, or I could go down to zoom stat and enter. And you'll notice that it drew a line as well. That's because I had something in Y equals. Normally you won't have anything there. I will clear it out and go back, and let's just do 9, and there's our scatter plot. So there you go, entering data into your calculator and creating a scatter plot.